In today's Canva tutorial, you will learn how to create a poll image for your community tab, which can also double as an Instagram post. Welcome to the Canva Classroom, everybody. Let's get started. Most creators on YouTube with over 500 subscribers have access to community posts. You can interact with your audience using polls, GIFs, text, images, and sharing your YouTube videos. We need to select the correct sizing for the poll image we are creating today. Let's choose this size since it can duplicate as an Instagram post. In the template section of Canva, look up the word poll. The crown on the template indicates it's a Canva Pro template, which means that it can't be selected if you have a free account. If you are a free user, you may wish to check out this tutorial on how to find free templates faster. I'll leave a link for you in the description below. I'm actually going to select this template, which is one of the free ones. More than likely, templates aren't going to match your branding colors. The most simplistic change you can make is to alter the colors and text with something Canva offers called styles. If you don't have a styles tab on the left-hand side here, select your More button in order to find styles at the top. You can use this to change the colors and/or fonts on your community tab poll image. You can shuffle the colors around by clicking the Shuffle button. If you don't like any of these options, you can always customize to your own personal colors by selecting the element in this template to choose the color pad. You are going to want to change your text to be your question for your poll. You can customize it even more with this template by duplicating the elements 4 times and placing them around each corner, adding a transparency so you can see the background. Make sure to send all of the elements to the back. You can always change the font if you like by selecting the text box and choosing a new font from the text panel. Next up, you're going to learn how to add a picture to this, download it, and then we're going to walk through the process of how to add an image to your YouTube community post. Once you get this part just the way you want it, it's time to choose if you want to add a picture to this design. Choose either a photo you've uploaded or a photo from the Canva library. Right-click and set image as background. You can make some adjustments to your photos to have even better alignment. You can even adjust the font size and placement of your poll options. There are a lot of customizable options, including special effects that you could add to your image. But to keep this lesson simple, I'm going to call this one Done. Let's download this poll image, select Share in the upper right-hand corner, and then click Download. Make sure that you have selected a PNG file, as well as the page if you have multiple pages in your document. If it is the only image on your document, like this one for example, you just need to press Download. We're going to head over to My Community tab to demonstrate how to add this. I'm going to leave this link in the description below so that you can learn more about community posts and even see YouTube's video about it itself, because that's going to help you a whole lot. How you're eligible for it and where you can find it and all that kind of stuff. Here you'll notice what's on your mind. So we're going to add an image. You can drag up to 5 images or GIFs from your device. It says select from your computer. So select image. here's one. And I actually made a few upgrades to the image that I created with you guys, which was I added a couple extra features here with a very transparent YouTube logo and Instagram logo. And I just made a couple of adjustments. But now I'm going to come up with something and we'll be right back. You can post it straight away, but you can also schedule it. I'm actually going to go ahead and post this right now. It might generate a little buzz for the tutorial, and it will also help me get to know my audience a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and post, but if I didn't want to, I could click this little arrow. You know what? I'll share that with you next week when we learn about how to make a GIF for your community tab. Now I'm going to click post, and there it is. It popped up for me. How do you create a poll? Right next to image, poll. Add a poll. You can ask your question. I'm not actually going to create a poll today. Ask your questions. You can add your options. You can add another option. You can add more options. And then once you have your options in, you can post it. If you want to learn how to change colors of an image in Canva like this, then make sure that you click into this video that's on your screen right now. If it's not there, then check the description because I always put related and suggested lessons there as well. As always, if you like today's tutorial and want to see more like it, then make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.